Okay, so I didn't do this a couple while back, but today I'm gonna do it. So it's evolution quiz. Let's do it. Let's start. So let's see. The image illustrates what evolutionary concept? So they have similar bones, however, as for different functions. So it's homologous. Put that there. Which of the following is not a component of the theory of evolution by natural selection? This is correct because you need to compete to actually have evolution. Variation among species, that's true, you need that. Which not a component of natural selection. So this was actually not a component, I think, because you needed to compete for food and sacred resources, and you needed to have variation to actually evolve. And actually, no, I'm debating on these two. Because listen, because well, survival and reproduction, it's surely important, but inheritance of acquired characteristic, I'm gonna still go with this. A structure that seems to serve no purpose in an organism is called. So we obviously know this is not part of what we need to know. However, if you go ahead and do this and search it, okay, I will just search it for you. Structure that seems to serve no purpose on an organism is called. And right there you have vestigo. So you don't have, it was never taught, but you don't need to know it. I'm not gonna put it on my test, but remember, this is just a practice test. It doesn't have to be similar to what I'm gonna give you. It's just gonna be a little bit close, so you get, you get the idea of what's going on. In sciences, theories are an educated guess. And the group of mice become separated by the formation of water. Over time, the norm for mice became smaller and wider, and larger and browner. This divergence. Remember, guys, they were once very similar. However, they have essentially developed because of different environments, and now they're becoming different stuff or different species. Divergent evolution. Lamarck is to inheritance of acquired. So Lamarck believed in inheritance of acquired characteristic. Darwin believed in evolution by natural selection, I'm gonna say. Any variation that can help is called an adaptation. So you need to know this. The strongest evidence for change over a long period in time comes from fossils. The dog breed that we have today developed through artificial selection because we breeded them on ourselves. Remember, they don't just have these variations. The finches, this was Darwin finches, were similar in form except for variations for their beaks. Darwin observed that these gathering food, they ate different things. 90%, what did I get wrong? So, oh, number 4, that was wrong. Well, that is more about to the science question, not the evolution question, but you guys know what it means. So, theories, they are educated guess. They're not a known fact. They're not absolute. And sure, they could be this as well. But yeah, that was pretty much evolution. That's only